upwards of about 50 million people are unemployed at this point in time. And when that's the case, I mean, paying rent, it becomes an afterthought. WYL stands for Who's Your Landlord? Our whole focus is on empowering and informing the rental community through landlord reviews and housing literacy content. When we first started the business, it was simply reviews of landlords. So like you put up a landlord's name or a building, you post a review. Now you have the reviews, we have a ton of housing literacy content. We made a COVID housing resource center. New York City reopened its eviction courts and they had 50,000 cases in a week. When it came to people that were facing eviction, you heard just that. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I can't afford the rent. And I think most times it was I haven't heard anything from my landlord, so I don't quite know what's gonna happen. We're in a unique space where a big part of our job is to shout from the mountaintops about information, insights, give direction where we can, and also to do the work ourselves. So we even have a $25,000 rent relief package that we're rolling out in a couple weeks with a ton of other resources for renters as well. We partnered up with a few organizations. They're hiring, they are providing funding for people when it comes to housing issues. They're providing resources and sponsoring a lot of our content. So we'll announce it all soon as an organization, but our job is just to be as present for people as possible, especially when you consider the mental strife you go through whenever your finances aren't right. I'm proud to say that through COVID and everything, our team's been fully paid and everything like that. And so even a year ago, it wasn't as smooth, and even 2 years ago, it definitely wasn't as smooth. But that's part of the journey of building a business.